Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that I am rocking. So this unit is from Nadula. This is their V-part wig. It's curly. All extra, information will be down in the description box below. You guys, this is by far the easiest install I've ever completed in my entire life when it comes to wigs. Like, this is just everything. V-part wigs are like legit, they're taking over right now. Everywhere I turn, like I'm always seeing, V-part wigs everywhere. I just love that they offer all different textures and, different kind of styles. With this, I love the curly because I love me some curly hair. So I'm like, let me try some curly, okay? So yeah, again, this is by far the easiest install I've ever done. Doesn't require any gluing, any extra product, no leave out. Like, all of my hair is underneath this wig, and this is the V part. Like, it is everything. Enough talking. Again, everything is down in the description box below. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this unit, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so let's get started. So I'm actually preparing my hair right now, and all I'm gonna do is split my hair in two and do two braids and then cross over and kind of like tuck them in so that I don't have any hair in the way underneath this wig. You can definitely do it in a low bun, or just throw in some big braids in, whatever floats your boat. This is actually my second time recording this portion right here because I don't know what happened to the previous clips, but here we are. Okay, anyways, like I said, guys, the entire process of installing this unit is so easy, and I absolutely love it. I love the idea of this wig. It's definitely for those who want to have a nice style, but who don't really know how to install wigs themselves, or for those people who are actually over the whole gluing and the lace thing. Just tuck your hair inside and you can just put on this wig. Now, there are several ways you can definitely style or install this V-part wig. You can, I guess it depends on like your hair texture. You can definitely go in with some of your hair. Just use a bit of your hair as a leave out. And if you have curly hair, you can definitely use your hair to mask the parting of where this wig will sit, to just, cover it up. Or you can just do what I did, where I have everything underneath and then, just put the wig on. But I definitely had to do this method, especially with curly hair, because my hair is straight, it's permed, all the curls are gone. So, I got to do what I got to do. If it was straight hair, I for sure would have left a leave out, just a little bit of my hair just to mask with the wig. But honestly, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this wig. This wig has 5 snap clips, and it's easy to just slide the clips onto your hair and then just snap it so that it kind of like locks it in. So this wig ain't gonna go anywhere, okay? It ain't gonna go anywhere. You can definitely do it like this, or you can also do like a very skinny anchor braid. It all depends on you, your style, what you want. And yeah, just go with that. So with this curly hair, with styling it, I don't have any mousse, so I'm just using some conditioner and water mixture, and I'm spraying it onto the hair, and it's getting these curls nice and popping. It feels so soft. I did co-wash, but when it comes to styling, you got to fluff out the curls and make it look good. But yeah, enough talking, you guys. Honestly, I feel like I can go on forever. Again, everything is down in the description box below if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Also, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Thank you.